I mean, now it definitely has. It's been like almost 2 weeks since the tournament has ended, so it's definitely begun to sunk in a little bit. But I mean, now it's just I need to focus on the Asian Games, and I have a few tournaments before that as well. So I'm trying to, forget about the last event. Of course, carry it on with me and everything that I've learned from it. But focus on the other events coming up, and just focus on those, and get on with this event. Honestly, not so much. It's not really changed that much. I mean, I still have to play the same events. This is just one small thing. I still have so much that I want to achieve and so much that I still want to play. So, I mean, I'm only 18 years old. I still have a long time of squash, left ahead of me. So, I mean, it's not, I honestly wouldn't say it's changed too much. It's just something that, I'll carry on with me and something that will give me a bit more confidence going into the next few months knowing that I've won this event. I mean, honestly, I can't really say right now. It depends on how the event goes. But I mean, of course, I really, really want to change the color of the medal, and I'll, train hard for the, next 1 month that I have left until the Asian Games, and do everything that I can to, hopefully change the color of the medal and do better than I did last time. Yeah, I mean, I started playing badminton when I was almost 5 years old. So I've been playing sports for a very long time, and my elder sister used to play squash for before I did, and I switched to squash a couple of years later when I was 8 years old. So I got into it a little bit because of her. And when I used to play badminton, I used to be inspired a lot by PV Sindhu, because I grew up watching a lot of her events that used to happen in Delhi, and I used to go to City Fort and watch a lot of her tournaments and a lot of her matches. But I mean, in squash, I'd say all of my seniors like Joshna, Deepika, Saurav, I mean, I've grown up watching them on TV. I've grown up, being surrounded with them at the big events like Commonwealth and Asian Games, and I've got to learn so much from them. So I'd say in squash, they're my biggest inspiration.
And who has been your idol so far?
I mean, all of them. I can't really pick one of them.
Any international star that you follow?
I mean, of course, there's so many players who are right now above me, and I mean, everyone who's, there's Noor El Shabini, who's been like the greatest of all time in squash. She has the same coach as me as well, and she's done really, really well. And I mean, I've grown up watching her play as well. So I mean, hopefully, I'm able to, get close to what she's done for squash, and the amount she's achieved as well. I mean, honestly, it didn't really matter too much to me whether, they were Egyptians or whether they're from another country. I've grown up, playing from junior events when I was 8 years old to playing Egyptians to my first round till my finals. So, I mean, I don't really think too much about who I'm playing with and getting into court with. But, yeah, I mean, when you hear about it, it definitely does sound nice to add a bit of history to, the win. But, I mean, at the end of the day, it's just another opponent, and, yeah.
Are you practicing? Are you started practicing?
Yeah, I have.
And how confident are you to get the medal?
I mean, like I said before as well, I'm not too sure right now. I mean, it all just depends on how the event goes and how well I play in the event. But I mean, of course, I've played a lot of the players going there, and hopefully I'm able to put on a good show at the event. I mean, it's a long process. I'd say first step is to qualify for the Olympics. So right now my main aim is just, to think about that. But I mean, of course, it's every athlete's dream to make it to the Olympics. It would be my dream to, hopefully get there and win a medal for India as well. And, I'm going to do everything I can. Every event I play, every training session, just at the end of the day leads up to the Olympics. I've not really thought so in advance. Like I said, it's a long process, and I have to take it step by step and tournament by tournament. I have 2 events before the Asian Games as well, so those are also quite important. So, I mean, I can't really think about 2-3 years from now. I'm just going to take it one event. Yeah, of course. I mean, every event that I play is important, but of course, the World Championships that's going to happen. It's going to happen in March, so I mean, definitely going to train as much as I can going up to it as well. So much. There's still so much for me to learn, and I mean, a lot in the physicality aspect, a lot in just technique and learning a few new things. I mean, a lot of the game that I play is a junior game, and I need to transition. I mean, I don't really know exactly what, but there's so much. There's like 100 things I need to work on, and just going to take it one step at a time and take it from there.